Hey there, welcome back to the Crypto Illuminati Matrix. Today we are diving into FlowX, a cool crypto thing. Stick around as we explore how to swap, add liquidity, and bridge assets on FlowX. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and bell for updates. Let's roll. Here I'm launching the app and swapping. Alright, swapping. It's like trading candy for toys on Flex. It's super easy. Pick the candies like token here. Pick the one candy and say how much. Let's say 0.5. Pick the candy, say how much, and hit the swap. Currently I have insufficient balance. Let's pick some other hair sui and let's sure I am putting this and hit swap. Here watch as magic happens and your new token pops up. Cool, right? I need confirmation for my wallet. I'm not doing it for right now. And now adding liquidity. Let's talk about adding liquidity. It's like joining a trading party. Choose your candies and toys, say how much you're bringing, and boom, you're in the party earning a reward. Sweet deal. Yeah, so next we have bridge assets. Let's explore about bridging. Bridge time. Imagine it's loading. So let's talk about bridging. Imagine moving candies from one jar to another. FlowX make it easy to move candies between different places. It is safely and smooth way to move asset from one place to another. Here you can see I will move it for you, but it's super easy, I guess. You just need to connect the wallet from and to you want to transfer. So that's a wrap on Flex. But before that, let's check about the latest updates. Quick update time. Flex been busy making things even cooler. They have hit 10 million in trading impression, right? They're all about improving stuff for us, making sure things are safe and shiny. That's a wrap on Flex. Swapping, adding liquidity, and bridging assets. It's all here. If you're exciting about crypto adventure, give that thumb up and drop your thoughts below. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you in next one.